Hello friends, welcome to my channel GK Specials friends. Today we will discuss some very important GK question answer on Indian ancient history. Friends are requested to subscribe my channel. Let's get started. Gautam Buddha attained Mahaparinirvan in Kushinagar. What is the meaning of Mahaparinirvana? Answer is enlightenment. Who was the court poet of Samudragupta? Answer is Harisen. Banbhatto was the court poet of Harshavardhan. Next, Lothal is a place related to. Answer will be Harappan civilization. The Great Granary is found in Mohenjo-daro civilization. Next, now Lothal is located in. Answer is Gujarat. Next, where is the capital of Viji Mahajanpada? Answer will be Boishali. Covered the Harappan civilization. Answer is Doyaram Sahini. Next, Tripitak is written in Pali language. Next, Mohenjo-daro civilization was discovered by Rakhaldas Banerjee.